Thank you. On behalf of the EFD Group, Mr. Gerald Button. 1 minute, take a floor, please.
Thank you. Commissioner Stylianides has usefully described the situation in the former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia. He describes the violence and killings in the north. He referred to the long-running political crisis in the country. Now, I'm sure he understates the seriousness of the nature of the problem, but never mind, because he tells us that the EU is sending legal experts to sort out the systematic problems there. The Commissioner is confident that FYROM can soon be brought back on track in its candidate process in joining the European Union. Indeed, as recently as the 11th of March, this Parliament voted in favour of the progress report on FYROM's entry into the EU. Like so many countries before it, it doesn't matter how corrupt or unsuitable FYROM is. From the European Union's point of view, what is important is that it brings another entry country into its great empire. Well, good luck to your legal experts in sorting out its problems. I sincerely wish them luck.